we have explaining whiteboard. So they have a note. We have explaining all the features one by one. So basically it is used for teaching purpose. Firstly, we have seen many features on this board. First we click our menu section. They have so many options: settings, send email, theme, cloud storage, import, save as, and so many options. Firstly we have seen and click on theme. They have so many background colors we have seen, like green, white, yellow, and so many colors. So this, and we use stylus pen. You can write here, we can write network like this. Next, we also use eraser tool. We can increase its size or decrease its size. We can increase our palm gesture like this. Now you can insert your image in IMG form, PDF form, and videos form. So firstly, you can insert this image. You can here everywhere on this board, like we have seen. So I am explaining all the parts. Now we are explaining like this, and they have also a mathematical tools like ruler, protector, and this, and we have shared this whole whiteboard. Share this option and send QR to the students. Now we will cover all the features in next part. Do like, subscribe and comment also. Thank you for watching my video.